One night, a burglar broke into the house of a wealthy man. He collected all the valuables that he could. After he collected all the valuables, he came out of the house. Now, he wanted to escape from that house and to get himself into a safe zone. He looked around and found that there was a horse. He ran to the horse, jumped on it, started to ride the horse. As he was riding the horse, he thought to himself, by dawn, I will be safe and I will get into a safe zone. But for his surprise, at dawn, he found that he was still in the dangerous zone and he was caught by the guard of the house. He was wondering, how could it be possible? Then only he came to know, in rush, he forgot to untie the horse which was tied up to the tree. Dear brethren in Jesus Christ, the moral of the story is very simple. If you want to go forward in life, then you have to untie certain things which are holding you back. You have to untie your past life. You have to untie your pain. You have to untie your suffering. You have to untie your anger. You have to untie your jealousy. And you have to untie so many worldly ingredients which are holding you back. You know, if you are still going to hold on to that, then those ingredients will always keep you from God and His love. And that is what Jesus is instructing us today, that we are all expected to choose the correct path. That is the path which leads to God and His love. If we want to receive the ingredient of love, mercy, and goodness of God, then we have to untie ourselves from the worldly ingredients. You know, my dear brethren in Jesus Christ, if we want to do this, then we have to make a right choice and a decision. Once we make the decision, then there is no more turn back. In life, there will be always moments that you will have to turn back. But remember, once you turn back, there is also a danger in that. In the morning, as you get up, you get into the car, you start the car, and you drive towards the mall because you want to get something. But on the halfway, instead of going to the mall, you take a turn and you come back. The following day, you get up and do the same, and on the halfway, you turn back. If you're going on doing that the next day, and the next day, you will never ever get to the mall. That means you will never ever fulfill your need. Not only that, the need that you had once will now be a greater need even. So once you take a decision in life, don't try to take a U-turn. Always try to go forward, looking at the glory of God. As you walk ahead, you will receive His greatness, His love, His mercy, and His goodness in your life. Amen.